Do you know how to build an application using Python? In this video, we will explore how to create an application using Python. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnolabs. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to build an application using Python. Step 1. Define your idea. Whether it's a game, utility, or business solution, a clear concept is essential. Step 2. Plan your architecture. Map out the structure of your app, including databases, frameworks, and user interfaces. Step 3. Choose your tools. Python offers a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Select the ones best suited for your project. Step 4. Start coding. Python's clean syntax and readability make development smooth and efficient. Step 5. Test rigorously. Identify bugs early and ensure your app functions flawlessly across different devices and platforms. Step 6. Deploy your app. Whether it's on the mobile or desktop, Python provides versatile deployment options. And there you have it. Contact iTechnolabs, a leading app development company today, and turn your application ideas into reality. Thanks for watching.